how we do the coffin for.
Ow! My face! My face!
My
face!
My nose is bleeding like a wrecking ball.
My face actually hurts. Look, my nose actually really hurts. It's a bad idea, so don't ever do this, or you will be hurt. Please.
And if you don't subscribe, your head will turn into a pumpkin.
Yes, and if you don't like this, a giant spider will land on your face tonight.
Bad.